I'm Devin, and I'm going to be showing you how to make some almond milk today. I've been trying to change up from soy milk, which I've been having a lot of, and I wanted to try something a little different. And so I thought about buying some almond milk, but I looked online, and the recipe for it is pretty simple. All you really need are some raw almonds, and this started off as 1 measuring cup full of raw almonds. And I soaked it for a couple nights, and the almonds have taken on a lot of water, and as you can see, this is way more than a measuring cup worth. So this started off as such. I'm going to pour them in here, and the reason you want to soak them ahead of time is I've heard that almonds have a natural enzyme blocker which makes digestion of them more difficult, and when you soak the almonds, they think they're germinating and they shed that enzyme blocker. So the water that I soaked them in became, even though they're clean almonds, it became a kind of, I don't know, a little cloudy. So I rinsed them a couple times, soaked them again, and here they are, 1 cup worth. And to that I'm going to add 4 ounces, not 4 ounces, 4 cups of chilled water that I've already measured out. Go. And in addition to that, I'm going to add some vanilla extract. I like using natural vanilla extract, and the amount I'm going to use here is 1 teaspoon. Now the first time I did this, I did 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and I can't say that that ruined it, but it had a very strong vanilla flavor and a little stronger than what I want, so I think a teaspoon is the way to go. And in addition to that, the last ingredient are 3 of these big pitted dates. So I'm actually going to blend it up first and then drop the dates in afterwards. So I think that's everything. Let's give it a try. Let's see if that was blended long enough. It should have a nice frothy consistency. Let me give it a quick sampling here. Yeah, I like that. That's a good flavor. Okay, now the almond milk right now is very pulpy. Not really like dairy milk, because dairy milk is going to be a lot more liquidy. So what we can do is we can pour it through this sieve. Here's a pitcher where I've already made a little bit of almond milk this evening. Let me make some space here. And I pour some of it in here. There we go. And I'm going to agitate it with a spoon. Get some pulp left over. And what you do with the leftover pulp is really up to you. Another way of doing this is you can get a sprouting bag, also called a nut milk bag. I have so far been unable to locate one despite going to Whole Foods and a couple other places. I may have to order it online. Anyway, this sieve works pretty well. You still get a really frothy liquid. And what you end up with, the pulp, which I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got a consistency not quite as thick as peanut butter, but it's pretty thick. And I've heard you can do several things with it. You can dry it out and use it as like an almond flour if you grind it up. I just throw it into my smoothies because I like the smoothies to have a thickener anyway, so I'll put some flaxseed oil in, or ground flaxseed in a lot of times. I can put that in instead, it'll work just as well. the end result here, what you end up with is a nice, liquidy, appropriately sweet, hint of vanilla, non-dairy almond milk. Enjoy!